Shit!
So, are the tree felling mechanics like actually related? Nope, not at all.
Oh shit! I do not like horror-esque games. Welcome to Sons of the Forest. Remember the forest? You know, this. Yeah, well, that game went and met the devil himself, probably down in Georgia somewhere, made love, had a child, and this game is the discarded afterbirth of said child. Now, don't get me wrong. I love this game. It's amazing. The crew and I have been playing it since nearly its launch. It's just, I don't like survival horror games. Guys, should I get... What the fuck was that? Nope, fuck this. But that doesn't matter, because I need content. Anyways, enjoy the video.
So, Garrett, I do have to ask you something.
What's up?
Is your 82 hours in game all playtime?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Garrett, I don't have a
What's up?
job, and I haven't even put that much time into Hollow Knight the past few days.
I mean, I don't know how...
Guys, my game is in fucking Russian. It is I.
What a great
Concrete
hat.
ball.
The target ball is returned.
The target ball has returned.
No, but if it's super vibrant, then you know they're pretty crazy.
What are you talking about?
Hair color.
Oh, I gotta turn her up. Hang on.
Well, wait.
Like-
We were saying if it's like a very, very dark, bright pink, they're probably crazy. But if it's like a light pink, then they're probably fine.
Wait.
We're in a helicopter.
Yeah, it's a cutscene.
Should we skip it? I don't know. That's my first cutscene.
You can watch it, yeah. If it's
I'm gonna watch it. It's content, baby.
Some mildly Asian dude. This isn't even the best axe. There's another axe that we'll have to travel and get to, and it makes killing things a lot more efficient.
Oh my god, I'm inside you. Oh my god, Sam, I was inside you. My dream has finally come true.
No.
Oh, I got a stun baton.
That is two
Yeah,
sticks.
that's what I
right?
was saying, silly.
I'm not the smartest branch on Leaf.
Tree.
On the lead.
Yo, what's up? I'm here, me and Calvin, and we're about to... Fucking deer just spawned right in front of me.
Dude, you and Kelvin are just lackadaisy over
Yeah, we're just chilling, dude. Yo, this shit just like Minecraft.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sam.
Oh, fuck, I didn't mean to do that.
Where are we gonna put windows, bro?
How do I... Alright, I'm just gonna leave it for somebody else to take care of.
What'd you do wrong?
Nothing.
That's
Okay, hold up.
Oh, it's a creeper! Ah, it's a butt fire!
Did you just say it was a creeper?
Shut up! It sounded just like a creeper.
figure this shit.
Yo, Kelvin
I'm hungry, I'm
is
ready.
holding a fish. He was walking into a wall for half an hour.
Yeah, I'm not surprised by that one. That
Calvin.
would be the reason why everyone is pissed off at Kelvin.
Hey, Rich, he dropped you a fish.
Oh, thank you. That is a rock.
No, the one next to it. Gabe.
Oh, there we
Not
go.
what I wanted. Son of a
There's a
bitch.
fish right next to a rock, and you looked at the rock and said, "That's a rock."
Garrett, there's a random foot over here. Is this your doing?
Maybe.
Oh, guys, I'm feeling a little hot.
And then Calvin's just there watching, like, what the fuck?
I just love the smell of a new toaster heating up. Something about freshly heated metal smelling like a fire turns me on.
Garrett, are you okay, like, mentally?
You know what turns me on? You.
Thanks.
Lucky. I got that stuff. Costs a lot of money.
Oh, there's a Louis Vuitton bag here.
You're a Louis Vuitton bag. Overpriced and an object.
The pot. Ugh. What the fuck?
What?
Don't. What is with Garrett and tasers?
I like tasers. Take their shit and then leave.
Hey, Sam.
No, stop.
Come here. Come here.
I am hungry. I call bullshit.
Oh shit, I didn't eat dinner, hello.
I
Crazy.
wonder how late DoorDash goes till.
I don't even
no.
think about it. I didn't even think about it until you said something about being hungry. And then I was like, oh yeah, I guess
Dude,
I
it's
should
funny,
be
same
hungry.
thing. Garrett said he was hungry, and I was like, yo, so am I. Wait a minute.
Oh my fucking toast!
Oh no!
Toast.
How long has it been, Garrett?
It's been popped up for, I don't know, past 15 to 20 minutes.
Oh my god.
Garrett's over here thinking he's having a stroke, and it's like, no, no, that's not it. I was trying to explain to somebody the other day the concept of like taking a tenth off of something.
Yeah.
It was like, oh my lord. Because I mean, think about it, right? So you have a human hair. Now cut that lengthwise 10 times, right? That's 1 thou. Excuse me, that's 1/10. Excuse me.
And keep going, you get to the width of your dick.
And then you take that and you cut it in half again, and that's your fucking self-confidence.
Oh fuck.
Son of a bitch.
Guys, what is this thing?
What? It's an
Oh, the
effigy.
shit is-
Oh fuck.
Yeah, and here, get on.
Oh fuck!
No,
I made
why
a
did you do
mistake!
that?
Why do you keep asking?
So, Garrett, here's a conversation that I wish you were a part of. Today in the car, me and Joe were talking about, like, the best state to live in.
Yeah.
We found out statistically... Oh, shit. I think DC...
You fuckers are miles away. I hate you.
Yeah, we're not that far.
Run faster.
Yeah.
If you smash the shift key, it makes you run faster.
Oh, fuck you! I hate you.
Not gonna lie, I traded too.
Get out of here! Why are there 2 random logs just lying on the roof?
I don't know, man.
Been a long day.
Yo, Garrett, no, stop. Let her do it. Look at her go after it.
Oh my god.
You're a bad person.
Just smoke it, but just smoke it just before she
Yes.
hits it.
Oh no, it's running.
I thought he was gonna shoot her.
Oh.